it's Alexa back with another video, and today we are here at the grand opening of Black Ops Auto Pro Shop. So right now they asked a few of the nice cars to come out. As you guys can see, I have some video of some of the people that have been rolling through. C3 is here, and we're just kind of out and about checking out some of the cool cars and trucks. A lot of modified stuff here, and we're gonna go inside the shop, see what they have to offer, and maybe you guys can come pay them a visit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look.
Some other things. They got a lot to do.
You can save any of the parts of the 99 and put it in. They won't fit it. Won't fit? Nah. I tried it. Yeah. I had a Mach 1 and I had Celine rims, and I said, oh heck no, I'm paying for this. I'm putting them up in my car. It sit out, kicking out.
Yeah.
But I still have rims with
Nice. no shimmy.
Mr. Battle.
He's on his way. Sorry, I don't take better as a Dodge.
Yeah, it is. Damn. All right, y'all, we're wrapping up this event. A lot of wild stuff going on that I didn't even get a chance to get on camera, but this is a great grand opening. Make sure y'all come check them out. I might be up here to get some detailing done with my car as well, but looks like a really good shop. Here, should have known, man. All right, thanks y'all for watching. If you enjoyed it, you know to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I do post twice a week, so there's always something cool for you to watch. So thank you guys again, and I'll see y'all next time. Take care. What'd you say?
It's Alexa.
Boo. Boo.